What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So today at the Senzo Meyiwa trial, there was this bombshell that nobody saw coming, and the issue is that why did the state wait so long to mention the issue of the gold teeth when they had all the detail, right from the beginning? So, according to Exhibit 20Z, the state's own witness, Brigadier Gininda, had already written about the gold tooth, during the early stages of the investigations. Yet somehow, during his examination in chief, this key identification, was completely ignored. Suddenly, after cross-examination, the state, crumbles, to introduce it as new evidence. So the defense, was calling it out, and it was like a strategic ambush or even worse. So they were asking questions everybody should have been asking, like, if this was so important, this gold tooth, why wasn't it raised earlier? Why pretend as if the gold tooth, wasn't part of the identification from day one? So there could be some incompetence here from the side of Brigadier Gininda. So with such an argument, it leaves Judge Rata with no option, other than to just like disregard, this evidence by Brigadier Gininda. I'll catch you guys on the next one.